UFOs and extraterrestrial life. The topic of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, and extraterrestrial life has long been a subject of fascination and speculation among people. While there is no concrete evidence to suggest that UFOs are vehicles of extraterrestrial origin, there have been numerous reported sightings and encounters with these unidentified objects. It is important to note that the term UFO simply refers to any object seen in the sky that cannot be identified, and does not necessarily mean that the object is extraterrestrial in nature. Many sightings of UFOs can be explained by natural phenomena such as weather balloons, aircraft, or optical illusions. As for the existence of extraterrestrial life, it is impossible to say with certainty whether or not it exists. The vastness of the universe and the billions of potentially habitable planets that exist make it statistically likely that there is other intelligent life out there. However, we have not yet discovered any definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the search for extraterrestrial life continues, with ongoing missions and projects such as SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and the Mars rover. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe expands, it is possible that we may one day find evidence of extraterrestrial life, or even make contact with it. In recent years, there have been several high-profile instances of government agencies acknowledging the existence of UFOs and studying them. The New York Times reported on a secret government program, the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, which investigated reports of UFOs. Additionally, in 2020, the U.S. Department of Defense released several videos of UFO sightings taken by Navy pilots. While these developments have sparked renewed interest in the topic of UFOs and extraterrestrial life, it is important to approach the subject with a critical and skeptical mindset. Many sightings of UFOs can be explained by mundane explanations, and there is currently no definitive evidence to suggest that extraterrestrial life exists. However, the search for extraterrestrial life and the study of UFOs can provide valuable insights into our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As our technology continues to advance and our exploration of the cosmos expands, it is possible that we may one day discover definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life or encounter intelligent beings from other planets. Until then, the study of UFOs and the search for extraterrestrial life will remain an intriguing and fascinating subject of scientific inquiry. Are UFOs really from other worlds? There is no concrete evidence to suggest that UFOs are vehicles from other worlds. While some people believe that UFO sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial visitation, it is important to approach the subject with a critical and skeptical mindset. Many sightings of UFOs can be explained by natural phenomena such as weather balloons, aircraft, or optical illusions. Additionally, some sightings may be hoaxes or misinterpretations of mundane objects. While there have been instances where the military and government agencies have acknowledged the existence of UFOs, this does not necessarily mean that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. It is possible that they could be experimental aircraft or other technology developed by humans. However, it is also possible that some sightings of UFOs could be evidence of extraterrestrial visitation. While this is a possibility, there is currently no concrete evidence to support this theory. Ultimately, the question of whether or not UFOs are from other worlds is one that remains unanswered. Until there is definitive evidence to support this theory, it is important to approach the subject with a critical and open-minded perspective. If UFOs aren't alien spaceships, what are they? The term UFO simply refers to any object seen in the sky that cannot be identified, and there are many explanations for sightings of these objects that do not involve extraterrestrial visitation. Many sightings of UFOs can be explained by natural phenomena such as weather balloons, aircraft, or optical illusions. Additionally, some sightings may be hoaxes or misinterpretations of mundane objects. There are also some sightings of UFOs that are more difficult to explain, such as those observed by military pilots and tracked on radar. Some of these sightings may be attributed to experimental aircraft or other advanced technology developed by humans. However, there are also some sightings of UFOs that remain unexplained, and it is possible that these objects could be evidence of something beyond our current understanding of the universe. While it is not necessarily accurate to assume that all UFO sightings are evidence of extraterrestrial visitation, it is important to approach the subject with an open mind and to consider all possible explanations. It is worth noting that despite the lack of concrete evidence for extraterrestrial visitation, some researchers believe that the possibility of such visitation cannot be completely ruled out. Given the vastness of the universe and the potential for other intelligent life to exist, it is possible that some sightings of UFOs could be evidence of extraterrestrial visitation. However, until there is definitive evidence to support this theory, it is important to approach the subject of UFOs with a skeptical and scientific mindset. Researchers should consider all possible explanations for sightings of UFOs and strive to find evidence that supports their conclusions. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the scientific study of UFOs, and several organizations such as the Scientific Coalition for UAP Studies, SCU, and the Mutual UFO Network, MUFON, are dedicated to researching and investigating these sightings. As our understanding of the universe continues to evolve, it is possible that we may one day discover definitive evidence of extraterrestrial visitation or encounter intelligent beings from other planets. Until then, the study of UFOs will remain an intriguing and fascinating subject of scientific inquiry. How many UFO caught in the world? It is difficult to provide an exact number of UFO sightings that have been reported worldwide, as not all sightings are reported or recorded. Additionally, many sightings may be attributed to natural phenomena or misidentified objects, and may not necessarily be evidence of extraterrestrial visitation. That being said, there have been numerous reported sightings of UFOs throughout history, with some of the most famous cases including the Roswell incident in 1947, the Phoenix Lights incident in 1997, and the recent sightings reported by Navy pilots in 2020. As interest in the study of UFOs grows, there are likely to be more sightings reported and investigated in the future. However, it is important to approach these sightings with a critical and skeptical mindset and to consider all possible explanations before jumping to conclusions.
Subscribe for more horrors and mysterious videos. Thanks.